Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to cut a bell sleeve like the one you have seen on the thumbnail. If you are new to the channel, please kindly subscribe, and for all my return subscribers, thank you so much. To cut the bell sleeve, what you're going to do is that you're going to multiply the round circumference of your armhole times 4 divided by 6.28. Okay, so it's just like cutting a quarter flake. You're not cutting a full flake. So the round armhole that I have is 17 times 4, I got 68, divided by 6.28, I got 10.8. okay, so this is the radius that we're going to be using to cut the flake. So like I said, it's a quarter flake. Now you're going to place your fabric open. You can also use this method to cut a quarter flake skirt. So I'm just going to be creating a straight line here to make sure that my fabric is straight. So we are going to be using like a straight edge like this. So you make sure that your fabric is like this, opened like this. So we are going to measure the 10.28. What I got is 10.82. So you can approximate it to like 11 because you still need seam allowance. So I'm just going to approximate it to 11. So I'll use 11. Like this fabric is just on single fold. That is single, it's not folded. So I made it 11. You mark it round like this. And then you can cut it. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do is to put the length of the sleeve. The length of the sleeve. So the length of the sleeve that I'm working with is 11.5 plus seam allowance. I need ½ inch to join this point to the borders, and then ½ inch to turn the side down. You can use ½ inch or 1 inch. If you are turning, you may turn with lining, you may turn with bias. Okay, so that's why I'm using 12.5. So I'll mark the 12.5 all through. You can see the way I'm chalking it. So you're just going to chalk it like this. 12.5. I'm chalking the 12.5. So when you are chalking, you make sure that it's close together. It's close together. Now, this is for a short one. Imagine it is long. You just take, if your length is like 20, you just take it to be like 20. So depending on the length you're working with, and then I'll cut it open like this. Okay, so if you are working with a longer length, it's going to be that long as you want it, but I'm working with this length. So you may also decide to, if you don't want it to be too wide, you may decide to reshape it. You can just reshape it a bit, or you leave it like this. But when you are reshaping, you make sure that you don't touch your this point that you join it to the armhole. So you may just connect it and draw a straight line like this to reshape it, to reduce the wideness of this point. when I join it to the garment I'm using it for, I'm going to be showing you how it looks like. I'm going to be turning the edge of this with a lace fabric. I'm here to cut the lace fabric. I'm just going to be piping it from the wrong side to this point with a lace fabric, with this fabric, okay? So this fabric is going to be on fold, and then I'll sew it round. So when I join into the garment, I'm going to show you. You can see that it's very easy to cut this sleeve. Is very easy. So this is, you can cross check here to make sure that it goes round the sleeve and the armhole area. The armhole that I'm using is 17, so I have my 17 plus seam allowance. So I have 18 here. That means when you are cutting, you may decide what I'll be using here now is half an inch to join here. So if you want more than half an inch, you can add, instead of using exact radius, you can add like 0.5 to each to make it wider. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like if you have found it helpful. And so guys, this is the outcome of the sleeve. I made it to be 2 layers. You can see how it is very simple to make, very simple to make, and it doesn't consume much fabric. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It will help others that need the video to see it. And you can also drop your comments or your opinion about this video. I'll be in the comment section to reply to your comment. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you. God bless you.